You've heard that email marketing works, but what does a strong email marketing campaign actually look like in practice? Let's walk through the most common campaign types and why each one works. First, the welcome series. This is the highest performing campaign most businesses underuse. When someone joins your list, they're at peak interest. A welcome series, typically 2 to 4 emails sent over the first week, introduces your brand, sets expectations, and drives early engagement. The first email alone typically sees open rates 2 to 3 times higher than standard campaigns. Second, promotional campaigns. Discounts, limited time offers, product launches, seasonal events. These are the campaigns most people think of when they think email marketing. The key is relevance. The right offer to the right segment at the right time outperforms a blanket discount every time. Third, re-engagement campaigns. Over time, subscribers go quiet. A re-engagement campaign targets contacts who haven't opened or clicked in 60 to 90 days. The goal, either win them back with a compelling reason to stay or let them unsubscribe, because a clean list outperforms a bloated one. Fourth, transactional emails, order confirmations, shipping notifications, password resets. These aren't campaigns in the traditional sense, but they have some of the highest open rates of any email you'll ever send. Treat them as opportunities to connect with customers. Every one of these campaign types can be built and automated inside Mailchimp, from templates to segmentation to reporting. See examples and get started at Mailchimp.com.